The Samsung Galaxy S24 may still be a few days away from release, but an established leaker has popped up with a compelling reason to wait for next year's model. Over the past few years, Apple has been leading the pack, surpassing even Samsung in terms of CPU and GPU performance on their iPhones. They were the first and only brand to adopt the impressive 3nm TSMC architecture. However, this year, everything has changed. The Galaxy S24 Ultra with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 easily outperforms the iPhone in terms of graphical performance and comes very close in CPU performance. This marks the end of Apple's chip dominance. But here's the exciting part. Samsung is about to take it to the next level. Qualcomm and its phone partners are rumored to be going full throttle to introduce high-end smartphones featuring the highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset much sooner than expected. According to a reliable source, the first device might even enter mass production as early as September. In comparison, Qualcomm unveiled the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in October, so it's plausible that its successor could make its debut even earlier this time around. We've got our first early benchmark results for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which will power the Galaxy S25 Ultra along with the Dream Galaxy chip. The test device has scored an impressive 10,628 multi-core score and 2845 single-core score, which are incredibly close to Apple's M3 chip. And when it comes to GPU scores, the 8 Gen 4 absolutely crushes the iPhone 15 Pro Max's GPU, delivering about 60 to 70% faster performance. These numbers are mind-blowing. If Apple doesn't come up with something big for the Apple 18 Pro chip in the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, they will be in serious trouble. Digital Chat Station also told the prospects of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, apparently codenamed Tongzi, hitting 4 GHz is not a dream. For reference, the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 reaches 3.3 GHz, making this quite a substantial upgrade. It's no surprise that phones are getting faster with each new generation, but if this rumor is true, we're in for a significant leap forward. Qualcomm is apparently planning to adopt a 3nm manufacturing process for its next set of chips, which would result in more transistors packed onto the silicon. This translates to increased power and improved energy efficiency in a smaller space. However, whether you actually need that level of speed in a smartphone is a different question altogether. Honestly, there's nothing available on the Google Play Store that would pose a serious challenge to the top Android phones. Even in 2025, the Galaxy S25 will require more than just a speed boost to truly stand out. Keep in mind, these are just the early scores for the 8 Gen 4. We can expect even better results with the final official devices. It's safe to say that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will truly be a performance monster of a phone. Apart from the chipset, there hasn't been much information about the Galaxy S25. However, it's safe to assume that Samsung will continue to incorporate artificial intelligence, considering their efforts with the S24 series. Although there haven't been many leaks, there have been a couple of rumors regarding the camera. According to TechRev, the Galaxy S25 might replace the ISOCELL GN3 sensor with a Sony sensor. While the specific Sony sensor wasn't mentioned, the leaker seemed quite thrilled about it. In another prediction by the same leaker, the S25 Ultra is expected to feature an upgraded main sensor, an enhanced telephoto lens with versatile capabilities, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. This upgrade is not surprising, as it follows the footsteps of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's important to take all these rumors with a grain of salt, since the S25 is likely to be released in January 2025 or even later. However, we can expect more updates from Samsung before the year comes to an end. So, what are your thoughts on this early benchmark of the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.